If you upload a video into CapCut Desktop and let the AI analyze it, it will automatically edit it for you. But the real question is, does it actually make good edits? Now, this isn't something that's going to edit it as far as giving captions or any of that. All it's doing is analyzing the quality of it and trying to make better quality of the original video that you import into CapCut. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it analyze this video that I just shot for this specific example. We're gonna see how it looks as far as my audio, the quality of the camera, the lighting. We're gonna look at all of that and compare the two and see, is it worth putting it through the CapCut AI Analyzer. So I shot this video here strictly for this example purpose. And what I'm gonna do is I'm going to show you, number one, where the Analyze button is. Also, all the suggestions it's going to give you, and then at the end we are going to compare the two, and you're going to let me know what you think is better, the original or the one that CapCut's AI analyzed. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to take my video, I'm going to import it just as usual. I'm not going to click on it this time. If I click on it, what happens is it bypasses that analyze, and now it's into like just straight edit mode. But if I click off of it, and now you're going to see at the top right, it's going to say smart suggestions, find out how your video can be improved. I'm going to click Analyze. It's going to go through my entire video, and then it's going to tell me what suggestions need to be made, and all I have to do is check a box. So right here it says check out ways to improve your project, look better, make your colors better, and then all I have to do is I can click on this, or it says clips to improve, and it's showing me which one, which is this clip, make your video clearer, and then retouch your face. And these are global edits, meaning this is common that a lot of people use these to make their videos better, so we'll also use those as well. We want to make this the best video possible. So you can see right here, this is my original. Let me play this first, and then we'll play it with the edits. Now I want to see how well CapCut's AI feature can analyze my video and make it better. We got some mowing going on in the background. I'm not using this mic, even though this looks on. This is actually for my desktop setup. I'm actually just recording on the iPhone audio, so the audio is not the same. I'm not using any lighting right now. This is just window lighting coming in. You can see I still got some shadows on my face and all of that. So I'm curious, how well is it gonna do to automatically edit all of this with the suggestions, and does it make it look that much better? So we're gonna put it to the test right here. All right, so there's the video. Now let's go through adding the edits. So all I'm gonna do, again, I'm not clicking on the video. I'm just gonna stay in this project tab. I'm gonna click on the make colors better. Now I can adjust this, okay, to how much I want. I'm gonna put it at around 60. Make video clear, I'm gonna check on this. Okay, that one you don't change, it just does it automatically. Retouch your face. Now in this one, you have to kind of go in and change some of it yourself. So this one, I don't wanna have to add too much. Here's the auto styles, which I could click on. I don't like this because it literally changes your face. Like look, if I change it to this, look how it changed my entire face. So not that good. But what is cool is this one, the skin one. If I can click on this, there's a de-wrinkle, which is free, smile lines, free, clear blemishes, whitening, all that, right? So that stuff's pretty good. Even the face stuff, right? You can kind of even work on that, which is kind of crazy that you can do all that. I'm not gonna go too much into the retouch. I just went over just kind of some of the common ones. But now let me go back to what other things we got. All right, so those are the ones that they suggested. Now these are the global edits. I'm gonna add these as well. So make colors consistent. So we did make colors better, now make colors consistent, okay? So I'm click on this. Make the volume consistent, this one's important. Make voice clear, I'm gonna click on that. And you can go all the way up to 100, okay? So now, let's see what the new one sounds like. Now I want to see how well CapCut's AI feature can analyze my video and make it better. We got some mowing going on in the background. I'm not using this mic, even though this looks on. This is actually for my desktop setup. I'm actually just recording on the iPhone audio, so the audio is not the same. I'm not using any lighting right now. This is just window lighting coming in. You can see I still got some shadows on my face and all of that. So I'm curious, how well is it gonna do to automatically edit all of this with the suggestions, and does it make it look that much better? So we're gonna put it to the test right here. All right, now I want you to compare the two. I'm gonna put them side by side, and I want you to tell me, do you think it made that much of a difference? Is it that much better of quality? Is it worth putting it through this analyzer? And as you could tell, it only took a few seconds, so it's not like it takes that long anyway. But is it worth it in the long run? Is the AI doing a really good job with it? let me know in the comments. And then I want to mention the AI features on CapCut have been insane lately, and they've been just adding so much. And one of the recent ones they added, which is a free feature, is the AI clipper feature, which literally takes any video and you can clip it up automatically into sections that they think is the best, whether it's story driven, whether it's talking head. You can come up with any sort of kind of structure behind it to make the clips super powerful, and it will pull all of that from a long video and put it into a 30-second or a minute clip. So if you guys want to see how I did that, go ahead and check that video out over here, and I'll see you there.